Right. Now we will go for inheritance. Inheritance. What is inheritance? Inheritance is nothing but one class or one object gives properties to another class or an object. Okay. So one class is nothing but it is a blueprint of object. That nothing but to worry. So one class gives properties to another class. This is called inheritance. So I said one example. Why do we use inheritance? The major advantage of inheritance is for reusability. Okay? Reusability. So why we are called, we have to, sorry, this inheritance is nothing but one class gives the properties of another class. The major advantage of this one is reusability. Let us know how we can say this inheritance provide the reusability. So here, let us go for one simple example. Already I said this one at the time of OOPS concept. Again, I am going to repeat this one. So here, now we have, what is that? WhatsApp 1.0 version. Okay, WhatsApp 1.0. When WhatsApp 1.0 has defined, what are the services it has? Basically, which contain, so message transfer is available. This is the one feature is available. And another feature is, for example, audio call is available. These are the two services WhatsApp 1.0 available. Next one, due to other social media platforms, competitors, so WhatsApp 1.0 want to introduce the new feature that is video call. Okay, so to provide the video call, are they delete this previous entire program and rewrite new version from begin? No. What they do? What is the new feature they want to be introduced? Video call. Okay. This video call they try to implement in new version that is 2.0. Then what they do? Whatever the implementation already available, that will give it to this one. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. So that whatever the features which are already ready-made available, that everything will be derived to this one or not? Yes. So here, this is my mobile and I have installed this 2.0. This is my friend's mobile and he has installed this 1.0. Okay. So what are the services I can use? This video call I can use, audio call I can use, message transfer I can use. Okay. What are the services this one my friend can use? Only message transfer and audio call. So to get this feature, what he will do? Just he will easy uninstall the previous application and reinstall this one? No, just he will get the update. When he get the update, previous features is available, along with that new feature is added. How do you achieve this one? By using inheritance. So this 1.0 is the parent. This is going to give the properties to child. Okay, so this is comes under the inheritance concept. Using inheritance, they build this one. This is not only applicable for WhatsApp, all the related platforms where you can see the new version, there exists one inheritance mechanism. This is one simple thing to understand this reusability. Okay. Now we will go for one simple, what are the types of inheritances available? So first one, inheritance. So we have single inheritance, So next one, second one, multiple inheritance. Next, third one, multi-level inheritance. Next, fourth one, hierarchical inheritance. And fifth one, hybrid inheritance. So these are the 5 types of inheritances available. So 5 types. So let us go for these all in detail, and we will implement this one using program also. Single inheritance means I have only one class, which is A. This is going to give the properties to another only one class. This is called B class. So only one class giving properties to another class. This is called single inheritance. Okay. What is the class giving properties? This is called either parent class, or you may call this one as base class, or you may call this one as super class. Are you clear? There are multiple names available for the class which is giving the properties. Next one, the class which is getting the properties, again it has different names. So this is called, when you call this class which is giving is called as a parent class, you need to call this one as a child class. Okay. Next one, when you call this giving A is a base class, you need to call this B as a derived class. Next, when it is super class, you need to call this one as a subclass. Okay, this is the terminology you can use. Okay, next one. So what is single? Only one class giving properties to another one more class. Multiple inheritance. Multiple means more than 2 classes giving properties to one class. So here A is one class, B is another class, C is another class. So here more than one. More than one means either 2 or 3 or n number of classes. These all classes are giving properties to only one class. This is D class. This is called multiple inheritance. Very simple example, father property, mother property, and some other property that all will be derived to D. Guardian property, like that, multiple classes properties will be derived to one child. Next one, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level means, so one child class is giving properties to another child. Already a class is a child. Again, that class is going to give properties to another class. So here, A is one class. This has given properties to B class. Now, is this B child or not? This is B is a child of A. Again, what does this B do? This is going to give properties to another class. Okay. So this is called multi-level. A gives to B, B gives to C. This will be continued. Sir, is it stop up to C? No, the C also give to D. D also give to E. If it is available, this is called multi-level. Next one, hierarchical. Hierarchical, which looks like a tree structure. Here, one parent class give properties to more than 2 children. Okay. So here, A is one class. This class is going to give properties to B, C, D, like that. It can give any number of classes. If it is such type of inheritance is available, we call this one as a hierarchical inheritance. Hybrid. Hybrid is nothing but combination of any 2 inheritances said to be the hybrid inheritance. But generally, you can see this multiple and hierarchical. These two combinations you can see, but you can go for any two inheritance combination which can be considered as a hybrid. So generally I will go for the common approach. So that is, I am writing first one as hierarchical inheritance, A giving to B comma C. Okay, again this B comma C giving to D. So is it hybrid? Yes. Why I am calling this one as hybrid? If you go for this part which contain hierarchical, if you go for the second part which contain multiple inheritance. So sir, is it only the diagram for hybrid? No, you can go for this one also. B comma C, this is one and it is giving properties to one class, and this is again giving properties to another two classes. This is B, C, A, D, E. This is also considered as hybrid because there are two different classes. So here you can add one more inheritance which is also considered as hybrid. There is no proper structure for hybrid inheritance. I hope it is clear to you. Now we will go for one simple example how to create a inheritance, and we'll go for one simple example. Right. So now we know how to write a class. So in the last class, last two classes, I said how to write a class. And now which one you need to know? You need to know how to create a child class. Okay. So we know how to create a parent class. Parent class is nothing but the class which you have written earlier, that every class can be considered as a basic class. Okay. Now what I want to do, I have to create a child class. So how can I create a child class? Let us see. So what are the names of this one? You can call it as a child class, or you can call it as a subclass, or you can call it as a derived class. So from book to book, the terminology will be the different, but these all meanings are same. So how can I write? So first you have to write class followed by name of the class followed by which class properties you want to give, that class name you have to write it here, this one. So this is parent class name. Just you have to write name followed by you can write the basic things. So you can write the documentation, you can define variables, you can define methods, you can write constructor, or you can write child class also. Not child class, this is nested class. So what are the class content? That everything you can build at this place. But what happens here? You are going to get the features of parent also. Okay, let us go for one simple example how to write this one. Directly I will write the code, you can understand. Now, so here I am writing class and I am giving the name as parent. Okay, so what does this parent contain? One method. This method name is method A. So I said this one as a self. What does it mean? This is belonging to the instance method. And I am printing I am method A of which class? Parent class. Are you clear? Yes. Next. So this class is completed and I am going to write another class. This is child. So this is method B, which is also belonging to which class? Self class. And I am printing I am method B of which class? Child class. Right. So these two things I have written. May I know these one is parent, one is child? I have written these class names as a parent and child. But did I give any relation between these two? No. How can I create a child class? So in the parenthesis, I should give the class name. then only it acts like a parent and child. So for child, in the parenthesis, I am writing parent. Now a relation is established between these two. Now here I am going to create object for parent. So OP is nothing but object of parent. So how can I create? Just by writing the parent constructor. Next, similarly, I am creating the child. OC equal to child I am creating. Now let me know what are the features this parent has. Only method A feature is available. Are you clear? So is this parent can access child property? He never access. Okay, so I said just now, this is 1.0 version of WhatsApp. Is this what we call work with the video call? No, because which has implemented only audio call and message transfer only. Same to this one. So child class, what are the services this child class can provide? Method B and method A. So here, first I am going to print OP. OP is nothing but parent class object. So I am calling method A. So when I run this one, is it called method A? So self method, self feature, it has executed. Now using object, parent class object, I am going to call method B. Is it execute? No. So what happened? Parent object has no attribute method B. Now let us go for in reverse order. What is the reverse order? This is not executing. So object of child, and this child is going to invoke its own functionality, that is method B. Is it works? Now I am going to remove this one. Is it works? Yes. Self method is executed. Yes, I am method B of child class. Now what does this child class is doing? This child class method, this child class object is trying to access parent class method. Is it invoke? Yes, definitely it will invoke, because this fellow get the properties of this parent. Now, when I run this one, it is also printed the feature of this parent A or parent or not? Yes. So, did you get reusability? In child class, is he getting the feature of previous one or not? Yes, this is the way you have to write the single inheritance. So, I will tell you with the WhatsApp example, same WhatsApp example. So, here class WhatsApp 1.0. This is class name I am creating. You should not write 1.0 in here. That is not valid name. So 1.0, I am going to write it as 10. Or otherwise, you can go for 1. So what I am doing? Therefore, audio call feature is available. This is the self method. Next, I am printing I am audio call. Next, is this WhatsApp contain audio call only? No, which is also contain message transfer. This is also self method, and I am printing I am message transfer. Right. Next, another feature introduced, that is class WhatsApp WhatsApp 2. What is this? This is video call feature. Video call feature. This is self, and I am printing I am video call. Right. Now, first object. This is Raju phone or Raju mobile. Which this Raju installed which application? WhatsApp. One application he was installed. Next, Rani mobile. She installed WhatsApp 2 feature. May I know Raju can use which services? Can anyone respond? What are the services Raju can use? What are the services Raju can use? Raju can use audio call and message transfer because which version he was installed? WhatsApp 1. So can he use video call feature? No. So let us check. Raju mobile can use audio call. Now, Raju mobile can use message transfer. Now I am going to run. So can you see I am audio call, I am message transfer? Yes. Is this Raju mobile can run video call? No, because this was updated feature which is available in WhatsApp 2. So can I see? So WhatsApp 1 means Raju does not allow to do video call. What about Rani? Rani, she updated her mobile. So which feature she was installed? WhatsApp 2.0. Means she can do audio call? Yes. Can do message transfer? Yes. Video call? Yes. This everything can be used by this Rani. What happens? Audio call. Did I do any spell mistake? AUDIOCALS. Concept 2 object has why it does not define AUDIOCAL. WhatsApp WHATSAPP audio call. One minute. Okay. So let me know what is the mistake I did. So here I have created two, but did I give the features of this one to this one? No. So here WhatsApp 1 I am writing. So we forgot to write inheritance. So when I run this one, so Rani can do these three calls? Yes. So audio call is available, message transfer is available, video call is available. So like this, one class giving properties to another class. So what is the advantage we get? Reusability feature is available. Next one. So what is the next inheritance? So multiple inheritance. Let us wait for this multiple. We will go for multi-level. So why I am going for multi-level means already this part already I implemented. What I need to do again another class I need to be add to this one and I want to give these features of B to C. So here what I do for the same another feature that is latest payment gateway also available in WhatsApp 3. So this was you can see the competitors of WhatsApp again new feature also introduced that is called WhatsApp 3. So is this WhatsApp 3 want to get the features of 2 because this WhatsApp 3 need video call along with the audio and message transfer. So WhatsApp 2 features I am giving. So this is class. Now what is the another feature introduced? This is payment gateway. Payment. So this is also instance method. I am adding. I am payment. So now Raju, Rani, and Rajesh also join at this place. WhatsApp 3 was installed. Now, what are the services Rajesh can do? Is this Rani can use payment gateway? No. Payment facility not available for Rani. If she want to get this feature, she want to update. Update is nothing but that object need to be created. So Rajesh already initialized with the WhatsApp 3 version. So I am going to check these all features using the Rajesh mobile. So Rajesh mobile is going to use payment. Yes, this is available. Rajesh mobile and video call he want to do. That feature also available. Rajesh mobile, audio call. That feature also available. Rajesh mobile. What is another feature? Message transfer. Message transfer. These all features can be used by Rajesh because he installed new features. WhatsApp, WHATS. Right. Is these 4 features can be used by Rajesh? Yes. But Rani can use? No. Rani can't use payment. What about Rajesh? Raju? Raju can't use video call and payment. Okay. So this is the way multi-level inheritance. Already child class WhatsApp 2, which has given properties to another class. So this is A gives to WhatsApp 1 gives to 2, 2 gives to 3. This is multi-level. Next one. Next one, we will go for multiple. What is multiple? Multiple generally, this is not available. This cannot be provided in Java programming. But Python has given. So C++ and Python, these 2 programming languages can support multiple and hybrid. But coming to the Java program, this one cannot be support and this cannot be support. Why it cannot support, I will tell you at the time of this program execution. So as of now, what can I do? I have to use these 2 classes and these 2 are giving to the one child class. So let us see how it will be. So I'm not writing like a WhatsApp. We'll go for another example for this one, but I will go for one simple thing. So this is class A, which contain method def method A. So this is self and print I am method A of A class. Next, class B. This is def method B of self print I am method B of C class, B class. Next, another class. This is C def method C self print I am method C of C class. Right. Now, which inheritance you need to learn? Multiple inheritance. What is mean by multiple inheritance? More than 2 classes giving properties to one child. So I have created only 3 classes. So A, B, these are the 2 classes. These 2 want to give these to C class. Then let us go for this simple example. So here, how can I write? For C, I have to give properties of A comma B. So how can I give? For this C, I am giving A class properties and C class properties. Okay, let us know how this can be used. So let us know what are the services this A class can do. This contain method A only. This contain method B only. This contain method C. Okay. So what does C can do? C can use its own method C, and C has a parent, that is A. A service also he can use, and C also can use B's service. Are you clear? So let us know how this is working, and I will tell you the problem behind this one. So class, what can I do? I am going to create one object for C class. So OC is nothing but object of C. How can I create object? C object is created. So OC object dot. So is it use itself functionality? Yes. So method C, I am going to call. Right. So C class. What is the problem? Name C is not defined. Okay, here what can I do? B I have to give. Right. So is this C object can use its own service or not? Yes. So OC dot method A. So is this OC has parent A or not? Yes. So is this parent A has method A? Yes. So that it will execute. You can see this one. Next one. OC dot method B is I am calling. So how it will be evaluated? First, it will go and check is the C class has its own method B. No, it is not available. Then what happened? It will goes to its parent. Who is the first parent of C? A. So it will go to A. So is this A class has method B? Method B is available? It is not available. Then what happens? It will skip this A and goes to B. Observe here this carefully. Okay. So C does not have, so that it goes to immediate parent A. A also does not have B method. So it will go to B. Now when I run this one, you can see B's method. Okay. So I am going to run this one. So can you see? So C has printed C class, A class, B class, because A comma B is parent of these two. Now I'm going to tell you one problem at this place. What is that problem? If in case this parent A, parent B, okay? If these two have the same functionality, example, your father has a red color car, your mother has red color car. As a friend, I am asking you to bring red color car. Which color car, whose car you can bring? So we are the human beings which is washed well at our home, that we will bring. But your class, your computer know which method need to be called. See here, this is having method X. This is also having method X. Are you clear? When you have like this, if it is Java program, the Java cannot decide which method need to be invoked. Because of that reason, Java eliminated this multiple inheritance. But coming to the Python, the evaluation of Python is different in the method invocation order. So here you should go for method invocation order. What is method invocation order? First, it will check its own method, its own class method. If it is not available, which is defined first, that class will check. If it is not available, it will goes to another class method. Now you see here, I am going to change this one to a method. This is also I am changing to method. Now I am running these two. Now you observe. So if I call method, Then OC. Is this OC class has method? No. Then what happened? It immediately goes to first parent B, A. Is this A class contain method? Yes. So it will execute. What do you get? I am A method A of class A. Can you see? Yes, it is working fine. Next one. I want to call this method. I want to call this method. Then what can I do? I am going to call OC dot method. Can you expect which one will be called? Again, it will go for, it won't go and print the B's method. Again, it will print A only. How many times you will call this one? Always it will print A method only. So is it printing A? Yes, it is printing A. When it will go to B, if A does not have, it will go to B. Are you clear? So this is the way method invocation order this Python follows. So which class has the first, and if that class has that method, then only that class method will be invoked. You never invoke this method from B class when it defines second time, because already A has. Is that clear? Right. So this is which inheritance? Hybrid inheritance. Sorry, hierarchical inheritance. Next class, we will go for hybrid inheritance. Okay, guys? We'll meet again in tomorrow's class. Bye.